Hi guys, here we have a question that says that a projectile starts from origin at t equal to 0 with velocity 10 meter per second and move in the xy plane with constant acceleration of 8I plus 2j meter per second square. The y coordinate of the particle when x coordinate becomes 16 meter. Basically, we are asked the y coordinate when the x coordinate becomes 16 meter, and we are given the following information. We are given that, let's see what we are given. We are given that the initial velocity of x is 0, so ux is equal to 0 meter per second, and we are also given 10j meter per second. That means our initial velocity in y is equal to 10 meter per second. Basically, let me tell you, I cap is responding to x, j cap is responding to y axis. Okay, this is just for the note. And then we are also given acceleration in, from here we can find the acceleration we have in two directions. So acceleration in x direction, that is given by 8I, that is 8 meter per second square, and acceleration in y direction is equal to 2 meter per second square. Now what we need to do is that we need to find time. So we need to calculate time from the given x coordinate. So when x becomes 16 meter, we need to find that time. We can use the formula. Remember this formula, this is very important, which is given by the x coordinate is equal to the initial position of x, that is x naught, plus ux, that is the initial velocity of x, multiplied by time, plus half acceleration in x direction into time squared. So from here we can do is solution. We can start this solution. From this formula we can write the x is actually 16 meter, which is given. We will write in the given that the given x is equal to 16 meter, and then we can continue with our solution, that is 16 is equal to x naught. It started from the origin, that's why it will be 0, that is equal to 0, and initial velocity, as we can see, it's also 0 meter per second square, that is equal to 0 plus 0 into time plus half. We acceleration in x-axis is 8 meter per second, so into 8 and time squared. So basically this is 0 and this is 0. From 2 we get 4, and from 4 here we get 4 as well, and we'll take only the positive value, and from here we get time is equal to 2 seconds. So from here now we can apply the same equation for the y-axis. So now we can find the y-axis equal to y naught. Y naught is 0 as it is starting from the origin. Instead of writing the whole formula again, I am directly going with the solution, that is 0 plus our initial velocity in y direction is 10 meter per second, that is 10 into time, that is 2, plus half. Acceleration in y-axis is 2 again, so into 2 and again into 2 because of the time, so squared again another 2, and this cuts, so basically 20 plus 4, which gives us 24 meter, and this is our answer. So it corresponds with our option 2. Let's check with our answer sheet. Our answer is absolutely correct, that is option 2, 24 meter.